Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to add glow effect in Canva. This is so easy method for creating stunning thumbnails. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it. Remember, you don't need pro account and you can easily add glow effect in Canva free account. Let's go! You can see I already designed my thumbnail also. You can watch my thumbnail editing tutorial in my Canva tutorial playlist. Okay, first click the image and go to the edit image. Then you can scroll down and click shadow icon. You can see here glow effect and click it. Then it appear in our image now. You can customize the glow effect. Select color and choose whatever you want. You can edit the glow effect size like this and blur option, also intensity. Here you can see the glowing image. That's nice. No need Photoshop or any other software. We can easily edit our thumbnail and add glow effect in just few seconds. See you in next video and don't forget to subscribe guys.